Incredible news both for patients and prescribers when it comes to hormone replacement therapy for menopause. The FDA announced yesterday that they're going to remove the black box warning from traditional hormone replacement therapy, which, let's go back a little for that history lesson. In the early 1990s, when the WHI study came out, basically they said that what they historically thought was a very safe medication was now not safe, and that it increased your risk of things like heart attack, dementia, breast cancer, basically all these terrible things, no matter who you were when you were taking it. The problem here is that in that study, they didn't really categorize patients. They put the perimenopausal patients, the people who were just starting menopause, and the patients who'd been in menopause for 30 years in the same bucket. And what we know now is that it's very important when you start these hormones, because it's very different going through perimenopause, where we're seeing that there may be some benefits, compared to if you've been menopausal for 30 years. Back then, they also put this warning on estrogen cream that goes down below. I'm not allowed to say the word. But this kind of cream has very, very minimal absorption and doesn't have the risk side effect profile that even systemic hormones does. And so that medication that's very safe now had a black box warning for really no good reason. Continuing evidence comes out about the risk and benefits of hormone replacement therapy, and we're seeing a lot of benefits. But that does not mean that everyone should be on hormones. There are still risk factors when it comes to systemic hormone replacement therapy that make it a more risky option for some patients. If you've been through menopause for the last 20 years, if you have a personal history of cancer, if you've had a blood clot in your lungs or your legs. So you have to make sure that you're talking to your own doctor about your situation to see if hormone replacement therapy is a good option for you.